nosy somewhere. Oh gosh, there he is. I'm gonna try to get him again, okay? Okay, wish me luck. Okay, here we go again. Okay, Pickles, I don't want you to help me with this. Oh, shh. Okay. There he is up there. Okay, come here, little buddy. Gonna get you. I promise I'll save you. Oh, you went upstairs. Oh no. Okay. Pickles got him, but I ran up there and got him out. I think he's okay. Okay. His feathers are like a little bit ruffled up, but we'll get him out of here, okay? Okay. I got him outside. He got away again, and I had to go get him again, but okay, hopefully he'll fly. Whoa! He went back in the garage! Oh, dang it. Okay. There he is. I'm going to kind of scooch him out of here. Okay, there he goes. Nope. Shoot. Go on. There he goes. Come on. Get on out. Dang it. Oh, he landed on the couch. Okay. Go on. Go on. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay. Be free.